What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect your Shopify to Printful. Now this is an easy tutorial, and I'm also going to show you guys how you can promote your print on demand products on Shopify for free, and you don't even have to pay for anything. Now this video is all you need, guys, to start your print on demand business on Shopify. I'm going to explain to you guys mistakes that you should never do while you are doing this business. Now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to create an account on Printful. I know that most of you guys already have an account on Printful. Now if you don't have an account, you want to click on sign up. Okay, now after that you can then sign up using your information. I am going to sign up using my first name. As you can see, I'm going to do that right now. The email, I'm going to add this email. The password, I am going to add this password. Okay, now after you create an account, click on sign up. It's 2 week. Okay, the password is 2 week. I am going to add another password right now. After you add, guys, the password, you want to click on sign up. Also the password is 2 week. I'm going to create another password, which is this one. Okay, I'm just going to go with another password right now. As you can see, it says here it contains my name, so I'm just going to add another password here. Yeah, this is my another password. Okay, now yes, it accepted it. Now as you can see, it says here, what would you like to do with Printful? Just say I'm playing around. Okay, then just select help me order products for myself, start my business. Okay, finish. You want to start selling products online, help me start selling products online. And after that, guys, after you create your account, you want to click on close. You want to close this, and what you guys need now is you want to connect your Shopify to Printful. Now that's exactly why you clicked on this video. Now what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on connect your store. Okay, first you want to click on connect your store, and if it doesn't take you to this page, you want to click here where it says stores, and make sure you click on connect store, and here it will give you a few different options. Okay, it says here we are registering with an please confirm. So you need first to confirm your email. You want to go to your Gmail, and then click on the email and click confirm email address, and as you can see, it will say successfully confirmed. This is confirmed successfully. Now go back, click on choose platform, and you need to select here Shopify. As you can see, e-commerce platform with everything you need to sell. You want to select you want to click connect. And what you guys need to do next is you want to click on get the app. You want to scroll down a little bit, and you have to get the Printful app on your Shopify. Click on get the app. It will take you directly to Shopify App Store. As you can see, you want to click on add app, and next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on install app in the top right. Now after you install the app, guys, it will this is going to be easy. Now you just want to log into your let me do that right now. Yeah, I'm going to log into my account, my Printful account right now. Click on connect. As you can see, you want to click on connect, this is red, and click on connect store 2. Now we have successfully connected our Shopify store. Now what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on add product. Now you are going to start designing what you are going to list on your Shopify. Okay, now for example, let's just edit this one. Let's just go with this one, and then what you need to do, guys, next you want to click on design, and you can add a text to the t-shirt. For example, hi, I am different, or anything like that, and you can customize this as you want. You can make it better. You can choose this. Okay, you can make it better. You can customize this as you want. Now after you customize this as you want, after you add You can also add the file if you want to add, for example, something from your laptop. You can easily do that. Okay, you just want to click on accept, and you want to click on upload file, and I understand, I accept. You can upload something from your from your laptop. Okay, if you want to add a picture to the t-shirt, you can do that. Okay, it's very easy. Now after you upload that, you just want to click on it, click on apply, and it will be here, as you can see. Now after you add here the logo or whatever you want, then after that, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on you just want to find you just want to you know, like just customize this as you want. Okay, I'm going to customize this, and yeah, that's it. And make sure you let the customers choose. Okay, they can choose which color you want. For example, here, as you can see, you want to click on so that you can choose different colors. And as you can see, add text, you want to add your text here. And what you guys need to do next is, after you finish this, what you need to do next is, let me just customize this a little bit. Okay, guys, after you finish customizing this, you want to click on back, select another product, click on apply, and yeah, you can select another product, or you can just push that first product to your Shopify. You want to click on process to media after you customize it, and you can then select the front and the front right. You can select the here, and then click processed to details. And what you guys need to do next is, you want to click on process to pricing, and here you have to offer free shipping and revenue and size guide. After that, guys, you want to click on submit to store. Okay, now this item will be, as you can see, this product is being added to your store. Check other products and features. Now you can, like I said, you can check other products, you can add other products. I would suggest adding a lot of products. You want to click on Printful, and here you have to find other products. Okay, let me show you guys product catalog, and you have to add, for example, I'm going to add this one. Just add different products. Okay, at least add like three products, something like that. Click on create product template. Again, just add some logo to this. Like you can add anything you want. I'm just going to add another picture. This is just an example. Of course, you have to add the logo to it, make it better, and then click save product. And after that, you want to click on the product and push it to your Shopify. Okay, so we have successfully added this to our Shopify. Let's go to our Shopify, and as you can see, if we go to our Shopify, we will see that print on demand product here, where it says products. We will find it here, as you can see. Okay, now you need to promote this. You can promote this on TikTok. You just want to like make some video about this, find something that looks similar about, like, and then make a video, or just make random videos and put the link of your Shopify store on TikTok. It's free, and on TikTok you can get a lot of views. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe. Like I said, guys, if you click on product, you will find the product here, and as you can see, this is how it looks on your store. So you have successfully added the product. And yeah, if this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.